Hello viewers, welcome to Hanson's Education Channel. This is Rajesh here, and today I am going to teach you the tricks how to change a sentence from comparative degree to superlative degree, from superlative degree to positive degree, or to comparative degree. It's very easy if you know the tricks, if you remember the tricks. Degree, changing from superlative to comparative degree, or changing from superlative to positive degree, it becomes very easy. So I'm going to teach you the tricks today. See, here I have the sentence, Tanushree is the most beautiful girl in the class. Tanushree is the most beautiful girl in the class. So what we'll do is, we'll change it into positive degree. Now remember, in order to change it into positive degree, you have a keyword. Yes, if you need to change from superlative to positive degree, you need to remember a keyword, and the keyword is no other. No other. If you can remember this, rest of the things you will find in the question itself. If you can remember this keyword no other, yes, when you change it into positive degree, if you remember no other, rest of the things you will find it in the question itself. Now you see, we have written no other. Tanushree is the most beautiful girl in the class. So that is in superlative degree. Now from superlative degree, we are going to change it into positive degree. And in order to change it into positive degree, you need to remember the keyword, that is no other. We have written no other here. Rest of the things, it is already given in the sentence, just we need to understand it. See, we have given no other. Now we are speaking of whom? Who is the subject? What we are speaking of? We are speaking of girl. We are speaking of girl. Girl. The girl is from where? In the class. Yes. Tanushree is the most beautiful girl in the class. So we have written here no other. Now next thing is, we will write girl in the class. No other girl in the class. Then will come here is, okay. Now the most beautiful. What is the positive degree for the most beautiful? It will be as beautiful as. So no other girl in the class is as beautiful as whom? Tanushree. Very easy. This is how we change from superlative to positive degree. Again I am doing here. You have another sentence here. Ankur is the smartest boy in the school. Ankur is the smartest boy in the school. So what we'll do is, we'll put the keyword no other boy. Yes, no other we have given. Now we'll put this part. We are speaking of boy. That time we were speaking of girl. Now we are speaking of boy. So we'll put boy. Boy where? In the school. So no other boy in the school is the smartest. This is in superlative degree. What will be the positive degree for this? The positive degree for the smartest will be as smart as. So no other boy in the school is as smart as whom? As Ankur. Okay, very easy. The only thing we need to remember is no other, rest of the things we'll put from the question itself. Okay, now another we have Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. What you will do? You will put no other, then you will take peak in the world is as high as what? Mount Everest. That you can do it by yourself. I hope you might have understood how to change from superlative degree to positive degree. Now I will teach you comparative degree. Comparative degree is easier than positive degree. You might have found positive degree very easy, but remember, I will make comparative degree easier than positive degree for you. Now you see here, Tanushree is the most beautiful girl in the class. Tanushree is the most beautiful girl in the class. That is what? In superlative. Now we'll change it into comparative degree. So, in comparative degree, you don't have to do anything. Just we'll follow the same thing. Tanushree, we'll write Tanushree. Tanushree is the most beautiful. The most beautiful is superlative degree. What will be the comparative degree for that? It will be Tanushree is more beautiful. Tanushree is more beautiful. Till here we are done. Tanushree is more beautiful. Tanushree is the most, instead of the most beautiful we have written more beautiful, comparative degree. Now what we will do is, the way we had no other, a keyword in positive degree, similarly for comparative degree also we have a keyword. And that keyword is, Tanushree is more beautiful than any other. What? Than any other. This is the thing you need to remember. This is the keyword for changing than any other. This is the keyword for changing from superlative to comparative degree. See, Tanushree we have written Tanushree, is we have written is the most beautiful, that is in superlative degree, but now we are changing it into what? Comparative degree. So the most beautiful, comparative degree for the most beautiful will be more beautiful. And then our keyword for comparative degree is than any other. Than any other, rest we will write as it is. Than any other what? Girl in the class, we will put girl in the class. Yes, I repeat. Tanushree is the most beautiful, more beautiful. Then we'll put our keyword, then any other, rest girl in the class. See how easy it is. Next you see, Ankur is the smartest boy in the school. So we'll put what? Ankur is the smartest. What is the comparative degree for smartest? Smarter. Ankur is smarter. Then we'll put our keyword. What was the keyword for changing into comparative degree? Than any other. Very good. Ankur is smarter than any other what? Than any other what? Boy in the school. So we'll put boy in the school. That's it. Now, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. That you can do it by yourself. How it will be? Mount Everest is higher. Then we'll put our keyword. What was the keyword? Than any other. For comparative degree, the keyword is than any other. So we'll put then any other. We are speaking of peak. So then any other peak in the world. So these were the tricks. The keywords for positive degree is no other. If you are asked to change from superlative to positive degree, the keyword should come into your mind, no other, because we'll start the sentence with no other. So no other, rest of the things will take it from the question. No other girl in this class is the most beautiful, so it will be as beautiful as whom? Tanushree. Similarly, when we change it into comparative degree, the keyword for comparative degree is than any other. You need to remember than any other, and you will use than any other after what? After comparative degree. For example, Tanushree is more beautiful. More beautiful is comparative degree for the most beautiful. And then we'll put our keyword than any other. Rest, girl in the class, boy in the school, peak in the world, whatever it is, we'll put as it is. So, I hope this trick was very helpful for you, and I'm sure going further, if you are asked to change from superlative to positive degree or to comparative degree, you will not make any mistakes, right? So, you can make your own sentence, apply the trick, try to do it by yourself, and I'm sure from today onwards you will never make any mistake from while changing from superlative to positive or to comparative degree. So please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for the day. Take care.